Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus Mk3 guys, and we'll show you if your OBD port does not work, which fuse to check. In the meantime guys, please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to save you as much money as we can. That's why we created this channel and we'll have more than 200 videos on these cars. So please guys subscribe, videos will be coming all the time. Now, if your OBD connector does not work, okay, OBD connector doesn't work on your Ford Focus guys, okay, it's located right here, you can see. We'll show you which fuse is for that one. So what you need to do, as you know, there are some fuses under the hood, but it's not there. It's actually behind the glove box on the passenger side. Now, you notice that we have our glove box removed, but you do not have to do that. You don't have to remove your glove box. This is because we removed it because we can show you better where all the fuses are. We have more room to get the camera in there. So, all you have to do guys, you can see that cover here? That needs to be removed. So we have two black things, okay, squish like that on each side, both sides, pull down, pull the cover out, perfect. Now if you come down, you're going to notice this is your BCAM body control module, and those are the fuses. The fuse that we need, okay, to locate today is actually fuse number 73, okay, 73. So if you come on the right corner, you can see right here, you can see the fuse number. Okay, that fuse number guys, it's actually the corresponding number. So you can see in every top right corner of a fuse there is a number. Our 73 is the very bottom one, 7.5 amp fuse here. So I'll go ahead, pull it out, perfect, and we'll replace it with a new one. Now you can find in the description of the video below where we get all our parts and tools, so check it out guys. That's amazing deal on those fuses. So we need to find a 7.5 amp fuse. In our case will be brown in color, okay, this one here, and we'll replace the fuse now. You have to make sure that everything is good, everything is aligning really good before you push the fuse in. Okay, if it doesn't want to go in, it means that you're not where you're supposed to be, so just take a little bit of your time because you don't want to bend anything. Okay, perfect, like that. Next, do not forget to put your cover on here and just push the plastic retainers up. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Please hit that subscribe button. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.